So let's begin.
Start off by standing up and spreading out both legs. Start off by leaning over to the side, then front, then side, and then go all the way back around and then lean over to the side again, repeating this sequence. Next, connect your hands and lean through your legs, and then arch your back and lift your hands in a sharp motion. Then lock your hands behind your back and lean forward, trying to get your hands to touch the floor. Continue repeating this exercise, then hold the position and pulse your hands up and down. Then put your hands on the floor in front of you and lift the hands one by one, twisting your body and looking at that hand as you do so. It should look a little bit like a windmill. Then suspend that position and pulse your hand up and down. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Then put your feet together and rise onto your toes. Try to keep your balance as you go down to a squatting position, then come back up. Repeat this sequence. Then extend your legs in front of you. Point and flex your toes, alternating as you do so. Then move your toes around in a circular motion in both directions. Next, go into a butterfly position and push your knees down as far as possible. Then lean over to one side. Then lean over to the next side. After that, lean forward, reaching your hands as far forward as possible. Then extend your legs once again and lean forward. Do this multiple times. Then lean forward and hold that position, trying to reach beyond your toes and as far as possible to feel the most possible stretch. Then go into a straddle position and straighten yourself up. Lean over to one side and hold that stretch. Repeat on the other side. Then lean over to the other side once again, facing your head towards your leg. Do the same on the other side. Then lean forward, trying to get your back flat on the ground and hold that position. The next exercise follows a sequence where you will first extend both of your legs out in front and then split them out into the sides into a straddle, then pushing through onto your stomach, then collecting the feet behind you, then rising into a ring. You then reverse the sequence and repeat the entire process. The goal is to complete the sequence without using your hands to help you. Then go into a baby seal position and try to lift up your legs in turn, trying to get them as high up as possible. Repeat this on both legs. Then do the same, but form a ring with your leg, trying to touch your head. Then go into a full seal position and try to lean back as far as possible, trying to get your head to touch your legs behind you. Then complete a circumduction with your back in the same seal position, doing this in both directions and trying to push as far as possible. Then lock your hands behind your head and try to rise up with your body, keeping your hands in that position. Then come back down. Repeat this sequence. Then do the same thing, but lean back all the way and only rise back up to halfway instead of going all the way back down. Repeat this sequence. Then stretch out and elongate your back in a child's pose position. Then on your knees and elbows, push off the ground and try to get one leg to touch the ground in front of you while the other is suspended above your head. Then come back down onto your knees and repeat. Then suspend that position and hold it for as long as possible, trying to keep your balance. Then come back down and repeat the exact same thing on the other leg. So that brings today's video to an end. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned for part 2.